My name is Pascal Bielefeld. I'm the CEO of AT-Scale, the global partnership for assistive technology. We're based in Geneva, Switzerland, hosted by UNOPS. I'm really excited to be here today to launch this new partnership and project together with Google and the Global Disability Innovation Hub. It's really great to see how this partnership between the three of us has developed very quickly, really, over the past few months, leading now to this launch. And I think it's fantastic how we can come together, a leading private sector company, a leading academic institution, and ourselves based in the United Nations. And I hope that this is a model of future collaborations to come. Now, specifically about this project, as we know, smartphones really is the key to bridging that accessibility gap for assistive technology. We know that over time, and as it further develops, it will replace a lot of standalone assistive technology that is being relied on today. And so with this project, we hope to be able to demonstrate the positive impact that smartphones can have on people with visual and hearing impairments. This will help inform policy amongst many other benefits. We look forward to being back next year to share the results of this exciting project that's going to be taking place here in Kenya, as well as India and Brazil.
Hi, I'm Professor Cathy Holloway. I'm the Academic Director of the Global Disability Innovation Hub at University College London. And I'm here in Nairobi today to launch the Mobile as Assistive Technology project with our partners AT-Scale and Google. Mobile can transform lives. We know that it's transforming all of our lives, but it will transform persons with disabilities' lives more importantly. We need to know exactly how much so that we can convince governments to invest in mobile phones for young children to go to school and also through universal healthcare. So in 3 countries, in Kenya, in India and Brazil, we will be studying how people with hearing loss and people with vision loss receive a mobile phone, get trained in digital skills on the mobile phone, and then use those accessibility features to do whatever they want. Finding out how they then create digital lives along with their impacting their physical lives, and understanding what the improvement, or not, into their quality of life is.
My name is Christopher Patno. I'm the head of accessibility and disability inclusion for EMEA, the Europe, Middle East, and Africa for Google. We are here in Kenya to launch and announce the research project that we're doing in conjunction with our friends at GDI Hub and AT-Scale to try to understand the impact of Android smartphones as assistive technology. We are providing 500 phones in each country of Kenya, India, and Brazil with training. And we want to understand if people know how to use these tools, how does it impact their life? And can assistive technology be a smartphone? And if we prove that this is possible, then we get to open up the world of NGOs and governments providing these tools that could help them bank. It could help them go to school. It could help them create a new business, as well as live the life that they want to live. So I'm really excited to see what we get to learn and build together.